Flash like a pro. Xprite red and blue LED emergency strobe lights that command attention. Visibility is life in emergency scenarios. Ever been in a situation where your vehicle needed to stand out, but your standard lights fell flat? Whether you're navigating a rescue mission, managing traffic, or responding to emergencies, poor visibility can jeopardize safety and efficiency. The Xprite red and blue LED emergency strobe light isn't just another dash light, it's your partner in demanding, high-stakes environments. With its piercing brightness and advanced flash patterns, this strobe light is here to ensure you're seen and respected, even in the worst conditions. The question isn't whether you need it, it's how you've managed without it. Superior visibility, brighter, better, safer. When seconds matter, you need a light that cuts through fog, rain, snow, and chaos. Equipped with 16 high-intensity LEDs, the Xprite strobe light delivers unmatched brightness, visible from half a mile away. Unlike standard models, it features 18 versatile flashing modes, including pulsing and alternating patterns, designed to communicate effectively in any situation. With memory recall for your preferred settings, you won't waste precious time reprogramming. From law enforcement vehicles to fire trucks, this strobe light offers the visibility you need to protect lives and property. Effortless setup, from box to brilliance in minutes. Complex installation? Not here. The Xprite strobe light is designed for simplicity, featuring durable suction cups and a die-cast aluminum bracket that attaches securely to your windshield or dashboard. Power it via any 12-volt cigarette adapter, and you're ready to shine. The 8-foot wiring provides ample flexibility for placement, and the push-button control lets you toggle modes with ease. No professional installation needed, this light lets you hit the ground running with zero hassle, saving you time and effort when it counts most. Unbeatable durability, built to outlast the competition. Why settle for flimsy lights that burn out or fail in extreme weather? The Xprite strobe light boasts cutting-edge PCB technology for superior heat dissipation, ensuring it outlasts the competition with a 50,000-hour lifespan. Its rugged, waterproof design shrugs off rain, snow, and dust, making it ideal for year-round use. While other lights flicker and fade, Xprite's commitment to quality ensures dependable performance, day in and day out. It's a long-term investment in safety that won't let you down. The smart choice, affordable excellence. With its premium features, you might expect the Xprite strobe light to come with a hefty price tag. Instead, it delivers exceptional value without compromising on performance. Whether you're a first responder, a construction worker, or a safety-conscious driver, this light is your ticket to professional-grade visibility at a fraction of the cost. Tested, trusted, and easy on your wallet, the Xprite red and blue LED emergency strobe light is a must-have for anyone serious about safety. Don't just take our word for it, join the ranks of satisfied customers who swear by its brilliance.